Hey guys, it's Anne. So today's video is going to be DIY animal glasses holders, and these are super cute and functional. And this is right in time for Christmas, so this is a great last minute DIY Christmas gift idea, and I'm super excited for you guys to see what I made. So let's just get straight into the video. So for the glasses holders, you're going to need these small wooden plaques, and I got these from Michaels, and you can get any shape you want, but I just got a heart and an oval for the owl and the penguin. So next you're going to need some wire. I'm using 12 gauge, and then you're also going to need some acrylic paint. And this step is optional, but you can use googly eyes or you can choose to paint on the eyes like I did. And then I'm using a wooden rod that is 3/16 of an inch and some paintbrushes and some wood glue. So first up we have the penguin glasses holder, and I'm starting off with the oval shaped plaque and then just painting all the edges and the outside black. Next, taking the white paint, I'm just drawing in the face and the white stomach of the penguin. So now I'm drawing the eyes, and I'm taking a Q-tip and dipping it in black paint and then just drawing two ovals on either side of the face. Next I'm taking orange paint and painting the beak of the penguin, and then I'm taking black paint and just covering the back of the plaque. And that's it for the body of the penguin. It's now time to make the glasses holding part of the penguin, so I'm taking the wooden rod and I'm cutting one 1-inch piece and one 2-inch piece, and then I'm sanding each of those down. Next I'm just painting the rod, so the smaller one is orange and then the longer one is black, and then I'm taking my wood glue and gluing that down to the body. So the orange rod goes in the front on top of the beak, and then the black rod goes on the back, and I'm just letting those both dry overnight. So this last step is just making the feet, so I'm taking the wire and I'm wrapping it twice around the end of a paintbrush, and this is just the part that you're going to be gluing to the body of the penguin. And then with the rest of the wire, I'm just using my fingers to wrap it into the shape of a bird foot. When I'm done, I'm just going to cut that off with a pair of wire cutters, and then I'm repeating the same process for the other foot and making sure that they are symmetrical. Finally, we're going to glue down the feet to the body of the penguin, and I'm just using hot glue, and I'm putting a lot on the outside as well, just to seal in the wire in between the hot glue. And there you have the completed penguin glasses holder. I think this turned out super cute and it'd be a great gift. So next we have the owl glasses holder, and the process is pretty similar to the penguin. So I'm taking the heart-shaped wooden plaque and I'm just painting that all brown, and then I'm taking a darker gray brown and painting in the owl wings, and then I'm just using that same color for the forehead. Taking the white paint, I'm just drawing in the stomach of the owl, and then I'm going over that with another layer of paint. For the eyes, I'm using white paint and just drawing two big circles on either side of the face, and I'm trying to make them as symmetrical as possible. And then just like before, using a Q-tip in black paint, I'm drawing in the pupils of the eyes. I'm using orange to draw in the beak of the owl, and then using the same brown from the wings of the owl, I'm just painting the back of the plaque. So now for the glasses holding part, I'm cutting one 1-inch piece and two 1.5-inch pieces from the wooden dowel, and then I'm painting those dark brown and orange. So taking my wood glue, I'm just going to glue down the pieces, and the orange goes in the front just like before, and I'm letting it dry like that. The brown rods go in the back, and the reason that there's two is just because the heart was a little wider than the oval. Next, we're just going to make the feet just like before. I'm taking the wire and then I'm actually making 4 loops instead of 3 this time, and then I'm also making the leg part a little longer just because it's an owl. And then I'm cutting the wire with my wire cutters and hot gluing the foot and leg to the body of the owl. And there we have our completed owl glasses holder. Okay, so that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this a thumbs up and then also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time for another video.